What is up, guys, and welcome back to another one of Yonke's vlogs. It's your boy Yonke, guys, and the day is finally here, guys. We are going to Truck Fest today, guys. We spent all morning getting the trucks prepared. We got my truck right here. We got my cuñado's truck right here and my sister's truck. And we got my brother's truck, guys. We are super excited, guys. We are running a tad bit late, pero no pasa nada. The event, we have to pull up at 1 o'clock right now to get all set up. It is currently 12 something, guys. It's like a 40-minute drive, but we're still waiting on some people. We're gonna show up there a little bit late, guys. No pasa nada. Once we pull up, guys, we're gonna set up and we're gonna get everything started. We are still doing the $50 giveaway to the 2 people we see with the merch on. So hopefully one of y'all won that. But we'll pick this back up on the highway, guys. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, guys, so aquí vamos rumbo al show. We are currently on the highway. We have my cuñado in front of me and my brother is behind this car, guys. Oh. We do have a few more cars that are gonna go with us, guys, but they are a little bit more ahead. We're kind of just cruising to the event together, so we're gonna pull up early and get all set up, guys. Y luego ya el evento va a empezar más tarde. So we don't really know what's gonna go down right now, but let's go find out. Alright, guys, so we did just get to the event. I know there's music playing in the background, but it's okay, guys. So we got to the event a little bit early. We are here to get ready, guys. We set up. This is where we're gonna be in the front, guys. The other people are gonna be over here, guys. This parking lot stretches all the way over there, and that's where they fill up the trucks. La pista va a estar allá, guys. Mi troca ahorita se venía calentando, pero, guys, eran nomás los E-fans. Se los conectamos bien y prendió toda madre. So hopefully, guys, we can throw that shit in the pit. A ver qué pasa, not sure, but let's see what happens. La famosa Crespo OBS. It's so clean. Y'all excited for the show?
Shit, you already know, bro.
You already know, huh?
What's up, what's up?
What's up, bro?
Shout out to the Yonke brothers.
Are you excited for the event or what?
Ready, man.
Hell yeah. We're ready to get that shit in the pit. We're fixing it right now. It was overheating, but the E-fans turned back on. A ver si aguantan. Damn, bro. We got the big boys here right now. Damn, shit's hard, bro. Damos, raza, el evento ya va empezando, la comida ya están sirviendo y tenemos mucha hambre, guys. So aquí vamos a probar el cevichito.
And 2 mango lemonade, please.
It's pretty good, guys. Now we're just waiting for the micheladas so they can smack some more.
Oh no, the mango
Ooh. Los agüiten es pura agua.
How bomb that looks.
Una michi. Bien buena. Alright, guys, so the event is getting pretty full now. They're letting people inside the gates, so a bunch of trucks are showing up. My homie brought the RV and the family. ¿Qué rollo? ¿Ya están alistando la mama whiskies? Ah, wee-wees, huh?
Homie don't come out to play.
Shit, homie didn't come to play. He said, I'm gonna come swing it.
Acá te la reventan the first try.
Pues sí, güey, ya están pelonas.
Traemos más, güey, no te preocupes.
¿Dónde?
Ahí, güey, toda la gente se comió.
O si no revienta las llantas, entonces falló mi compa porque trajo un chingo. A ver qué pedo. Alright guys, so in my brother's vlog, we did say that if we saw people with the Yonke stickers, we're gonna be passing out these reflective ones. So we're gonna walk around right now, guys, and we're gonna look for people with stickers. Y les vamos a regalar uno de estos nuevos. We brought what? Huh? We brought a bunch, guys, so let's get it. One day I'll have one of them motherfuckers.
Nice.
Yeah, that shit's hard as fuck. What's up, guys? I don't even know what the fuck this is, but that shit looks crazy, bro. A la bestia, cuz.
No, get my cup.
Alright guys, so I guess there's gonna be a gender reveal with that blue truck and this pink one that's pulling up right here. So we're about to walk to the pit, guys.
Team girl.
Y a ver si va a ser hombre o mujer, ¿qué creen?
Team girl.
Team girl or team boy?
Año de niña. No power.
Año de niña dicen, so a ver qué va a ser. Boy or girl?
Girl!
Boy or girl? They said girl too, guys, so a ver qué pedo. From where? Yeah, team boy, team girl. He said team boy, guys. ¡Eso, Tilly! ¡Perro, mi amigo! ¡Hey, pon uno de estos!
borrow the camera. What are you guys about to do?
Gotta swing it, bro. A ver qué pedo.
Woohoo!
What's wrong with that truck? Tires are too big. Listen to the exhaust. Damn, bro. 11 seconds and 12:10. Damn. Is that a Yonke jersey? Is that a Yonke jersey? I'm okay. God damn, bro. 10 seconds, bro.
Hey.
10:67.
That was a walk of shame.
Damn. Guys, these races are pretty intense. I didn't know the trucks that were gonna be here were gonna be this fast. They're over here running 10s and faster, guys.
Fast.
I know, they're fast. So let's see what we get into. Let's see what fast cars we can see tonight. Damn, bro. What's up, baby? You having fun? Yeah, you like watching the races?
Yes.
You want to race the truck?
Maybe.
How'd you like swinging it?
It was fun. It was scary, but it was fun.
Yeah. Guys, I think my truck is too low and the wheels are too big in the front, because like when I tried turning it, la llanta se quedaba atorada, so I couldn't flick it back, guys. But
That was the scary part.
no hay pedo. We did what we could, guys. Next time we'll try again. You guys already know. I don't want to push the truck too hard, guys, because I did just do the rebuild on it, so I'm gonna have to take it slow on this one. But it was super fun for sure, guys. Vega! We're fucking following this guy. Hasta que pare, cuz. I know, that one takes big ass steps. My good sir. You just won yourself $50.
No way.
I swear. You're the first person I saw wearing the shirt.
That's not true, bro.
I see that shit right there, look. Ow!
Yonke Fam.
Hell yeah.
Let me get my camera real quick.
Want me to stop?
There.
So my boy right here, he said on the vlog that he was gonna, the first one we saw wearing my shirt was gonna win $50. The person I saw from all the way over there across the pit, bro, you were putting the sign.
No way.
He's wearing that trippy one.
Bro, my homie was like, am I fucking seeing double or what the hell?
Well, tell your homie shirt won you 50 bucks, bro.
Hey, man.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thanks for the support, bro. Appreciate you, bro.
Subscribe to Yonke Fam I.
Hey guys, Omega right here, guys. You guys can place all your shirts in the game, guys. Hey, rock.
Alright, we'll leave the link below for you.
Yeah, guys. Thank you, guys. My homie right here said if he wall tap, I was gonna give him his dollar back that he won. That I won in the bet. I got that shit right here all nice and folded for you. Hey, yeah,
I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, another one, another contender. Make sure y'all get this. Yeah, I got it.
Oh, I got it.
Y'all know how much that shit costs.
Yeah. Stay safe out there, brother. Woo! Me right there, the NASCAR driver in the golf cart, guys. Damn, bro. How are you liking the event so far?
It's nice.
Chile madre. happened? Huh? What happened? You got the jack spot. Oh shit. Ahí, güey, flójalo. Oh shit, hold on, hold on.
Where's your white truck?
Huh? Right there next to me.
Oh, that's it.
Guys, my battery is about to die, so I'm gonna switch over to my phone. Hopefully my phone doesn't die. We're gonna record on my phone now. Here's the transition. All right, Luis, what do you think is gonna run?
I say 8-4.
I think it's gonna run.
No, it's gonna run longer because it doesn't not gonna do the whole
I
thing.
think it's gonna. ¿Qué andamos, guys? Estamos bien VIP. Aquí tenemos nuestro nuevo chofer, baby. Are you having fun? Yeah, guys, it's been such a long day though. We're super tired. Pero pues no pasa nada.
Yonke, put the truck out there!
I already did. We're about to swing the golf cart. madre jala bien perra, güey. Hell yeah. Shit's sexy, bro.
Puro Yonke cut.
Puro Yonke approved. La 5-0 swap.
Hey.
Fuck yeah. No más. Sí. Hell yeah. That shit's fucking bad, bro. Fuck yeah. Alright guys, this is the last pass of the night. Super fast truck. I think it's gonna do like at least 7 seconds, no bullshit. Madre vibra todo. Fuck bro, that shit's crazy. Sin miedo al éxito, joven. Hell yeah.
Hey, this was a badass show, man.
You're from Trucking Lifestyle. Walker, Jimmy Blake, Jose Velasco.
Woo! Nice! Hell yeah!